We are gonna ride this Ferris wheel 1,000 times. And if we don't finish by the end of the day, we have to sit on top of it for 24 hours.
We have to do what?
Come on, Chris.
Update on how you feel, sir.
I feel like we're only 40 laps in and it's been an eternity. Here, you want this camera? Here, catch.
Chris, no, I don't trust.
I'm jumping on. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Is lap 100 out of 1,000. And to celebrate 100 laps, first one to get a ring on a tree wins $3,000.
Take us up.
And here we go. Chris, start us off.
So close.
Put some merch on that tree. We respect trees around here, please.
Oh, that's hot. Dustin, is that you?
Yeah.
Can we get 2 pillows
For my buttocks and a blanket.
and a blanket? Really? Really? We asked for those. We asked first.
Yeah, well, we're on a double date. Yeah, let's be ghosts.
Ooh.
Where's he going? What is Chandler doing? Jake, why'd Chandler leave?
Said he was tired of this.
So he just ran away? We're not even on lap 300 yet, and Chandler. 1,000 laps in a Ferris wheel.
Thank you for taking this journey with us.
It was fun. Gonna shut this bad boy down. You can close it. We're good.
Yes, sir. Good night.
Guys, we did it 1,000 laps. Why'd you cut the lights off? Guys, really? Really, guys? It's dark up here. What are you doing? Don't leave me.
Mr. B6000.